Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD USD Australian dollar US dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of AUD USD in front of us right now. And as you can see that I have got two lines drawn here on the chart. So let's try to understand the whole picture of AUD USD. Let's try to find out what is going on the chart of AUD USD. Then we will be discussing the strategy. Okay, so let's get started. So if you look at the chart of AUD USD here, then we can easily see that this market is in downtrend. There is no doubt that this market is in downtrend. Clear? And as we all know, the main rule, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend. Trend is our friend, trend is our best friend, trend is our soulmate, husband, wife. Oh my god. Trend, following the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, whereas if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as you can clearly see on the chart that AUD USD is in downtrend right now, therefore we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. But if we just look at this particular portion of the chart here, or if I just ask you to just observe this particular portion of the chart here, then you can easily see that overall trend may be towards the downside, but right now this market is sideways and there is no doubt about it. Overall trend is downside, but right now this market is in sideways. And as we all know, in a sideways market, okay, neither buyers nor sellers are in dominant position. The number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. As a result, we can take position on both the sides. In a sideways market, we can also short the market at the resistance, whereas we can go for long position or buy position at the support, because whatever because number of buyers and sellers are equal in the sideways market. Therefore, we will just consider it as a sideways market. And if we go to the weekly chart here, if you have watched my other videos, then you know it pretty well that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis, especially the weekly time frame. So if we go to the weekly time frame here, then we can see that the weekly time frame is not giving us any clear indication. Yes, the support resistance levels are quite far away, so weekly time frame is not applicable for AUD USD. Okay. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Okay. And if you go to the Forex sentiment meter here, if you you'll find a Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So the Forex sentiment meter AUD USD, yes, here is AUD USD. You can see that 52% traders have taken short position and 47% retail traders have taken long position. Keep in mind that this sentiment meter shows us the sentiment of the retail traders mainly. And you can see that retail traders are also quite confused right now. They have not taken any particular position in a direction. They have not taken any position in a particular direction yet. Okay, they are also in dilemma. They are also confused in which direction the market will be moving. Therefore, from Forex sentiment meter we have nothing. Okay, and if we go to the Forex volatility calculator here, see, this is the AUD USD. So this volatility calculator is very helpful just to find out how much movement or profit you can expect. For example, in this present scenario, you can expect a movement of 5 pips on 15 minutes. You can expect a movement of 4.5 pips on 30 minutes. You can expect a movement of 5.5 pips on 1 hour and 32 pips in 4 hours chart. So this changes every time. So on Monday you will be seeing a different volatility. So do use this volatility calculator as well, just to find out how much profit you can expect on a trade. And most importantly, I have also launched a pro trader membership recently where you can be a member just for $15 per month, only $15. And I'll be sharing all the best opportunities on the market available on regular basis. Okay, and if you want to know more, just go through this part and just click on the subscribe button. That's it. So let's go back to the AUD USD chart again. So let's discuss about these two lines. So this line at the top, okay, this is the resistance for the market. And as you can clearly see that whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing resistance from above. You can see that market was facing selling pressure from above. Therefore, there is no doubt that this is a resistance, dynamic resistance for the market. Okay, and if you do not have these lines in your charting platform, then I'll request you to draw these lines so that you can understand the market better, so that you can also do proper analysis and take good trades. So this is a resistance, and on the downside we have a support. 7 point sorry wait 0.733. This is the support for the market. You can see that whenever market came down to this particular support level, the price got bounced. Okay, price bounced each and every time from this particular level. So therefore, one thing is very much clear to us right now, that this is a support and this is a resistance. As this is a static support here, so we have a particular value 0.7330, and as this is a dynamic resistance, so we do not have any exact value. We just need to trade according to the scenario of the market. So what should be our strategy on Monday? As you can see that market is just standing at a resistance only. So let the market open on Monday, and after the market opening, just see how the price reacts or how the price doing after the market opening. If you see that price is still unable to cross the resistance, and if you see a red candle here, then you can short the market, because for a long time we have seen that this trend line is acting as a strong resistance for the market. Therefore, if you find market below trading below this particular resistance level, you can short the market. Just keep in mind that you need to exit before this level. This will be your take profit target. And on the other hand, if you find market taking support in this particular support level on Monday, Tuesday, whenever, you can go for a buy. If you see that price is bouncing here, then you can easily go for a buy. Just keep in mind that do not expect some huge profit, because slowly we are seeing that this is narrowing. Okay, so as this is narrowing, so do not expect huge profit. What I'm saying is that at least you can go for some quick profit if you buy here, and you can short the market at the resistance. That's it for the now. And on the other hand, if market crosses this resistance line on Monday, do not trade, because this trend line has been acting as a strong resistance for the market for quite some time. So we need confirmation first whether it is safe or not to trade above this line. I'll be coming on Monday and I'll be sharing what you need to do next. As of now, just keep in mind that if you find market trading below this trend line on Monday as well, short the market, and you can buy at this support level. That's it. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again. Bye bye.